Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got some happy mail from my crochet story, and I can't wait to show you. Oh my goodness. I'm reaching over and getting it right now. It is a beautiful. It is so beautiful. I'm like super excited. So, I'm not opening it, even though I probably should. The first thing she sent me was some, I love this yarn. And I love how it's squished. I love how it's squished. Look, and it's called Hot Rose. And look at this. That is like such, that's such a froggy color. Look at that. It's a froggy color. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. And I don't want to undo it. Let's see if I can read it. Oh, my nose is itching. I'm trying to read it. I'm trying to read it. I'm trying to read it. I'm not going to be able to read it. It is 355 yards or 7 ounces. Yes. But it is gorgeous. I love it. I can't wait to. I'm not going to open it. I like to have it like this because I'm weird. I'm going to leave it like this until I actually use it. That's weird of me, I know. I'm weird. I like having it like that. Oh, and then she sent me these, which are amazeballs. I love this. She sent me these Rapology hues, and they are discontinued. But she sent me these, which I love, love, love this Rapology hues. Now, the thing you have to know about it is, it is a 2-weight, but it's kind of like a cord. If you can tell, it's kind of like a cord, but I love it. And here's the details on it. It is a 2-weight. It's 90% cotton, 10% polyester. There's 524 yards or 7 ounces or 200 grams. And you can see the deets on the type of hook you should use. And it's pretty awesome. And this is the color Bittersweet. It is made in China, but look at this color. See the little color pops? Little itty bitty color pops in that. And I'll flip it over and see more color pops in there. It's gorgeous. Now, if you've been following me, let me see if I can find my other one. If you've been following me, you know I've been using this one to make the stunning doily Dreamcatcher by Red Heart. Looks like I'm going to be making a blue one too. So I'll show you the stunning doily. So here it is. Here's the stunning doily Dreamcatcher. Right here. It's humongous. Humongous. So it looks like I'm going to be making some blue ones too. But I love this Rapology. It is great for making the doily. It works out beautifully. So thank you, my crochet story. I greatly appreciate that. I love, love, love it. Can't wait to get started with it. So in the meantime, guys, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.